Most people don't change, not because they can't, because they stay attached to who they used to be. Old habits, old routines, old identity. And as long as that version stays alive, growth stays impossible. This is not about improvement. This is about replacement. 30 days to become someone new. Cut off the old patterns. Nothing changes if the environment stays the same. Same routine, same distractions, same triggers. Transformation begins with removal. Delete the apps that waste hours. Avoid places that weaken discipline. Distance from habits that keep you stuck. Not forever, just long enough to reset. Build a ruthless morning standard. The first hour defines the rest. Wake up at the same time. No phone, no noise, no chaos. Water, movement, clarity. A controlled morning builds a controlled mind. Do one hard thing daily. Comfort preserves the old version. Discomfort destroys it. Cold showers, difficult work, physical training. One challenge per day. No negotiation. This is how identity shifts. Eliminate weak decisions. Every small choice matters. Skip the unnecessary sugar. Avoid pointless scrolling. Reject low-value habits. Discipline is not built in big moments. It's built in quiet decisions no one sees. Control input, control mind. What enters the mind shapes behavior. Reduce noise, less content, less opinions, less distraction. Replace it with intention. Books, thoughtful silence, useful knowledge. A sharp mind is a selective mind. Follow a simple structure. Overcomplication kills consistency. 3 priorities per day. Not 10. Not endless lists. 3. Complete them. Win the day. Repeat. Train the body to strengthen the mind. Physical discipline transfers. Train even when energy is low. Move even when motivation is gone. The body teaches the mind one lesson. Action comes first. Feeling follows. Remove instant gratification. Old identity depends on impulses. Scrolling, snacking, constant stimulation. Delay it. Wait before reacting. Build control over urges. Because a man who controls impulses controls his future. Practice daily reflection. No awareness, no progress. Every night, ask, what worked, what failed, what improves tomorrow. Clarity creates direction. Direction creates results. Stay consistent without drama. No hype, no emotional spikes, just repetition. Day after day. The strongest transformations are quiet, invisible at first, but undeniable over time. The old version of you won't disappear on its own. It must be replaced through action, through discipline, through choices repeated daily, not loudly, not emotionally, but with precision. While others wait for motivation, this process builds identity, and identity changes everything. 30 days won't make life perfect, but it will make you different, stronger, sharper, more controlled. And once the old version loses its grip, there's no going back. So start now, stay consistent, and become someone your past self wouldn't recognize. Subscribe